Hello guys, welcome to Quick One Homemade. This is where we explore different cuisine from different culture, and today I want to prepare creamy goat meat. So this is my goat meat. It's marinated. I've just used my dark soy sauce to marinate this goat meat. The best thing about dark soy sauce, it helps to catalyze or speed up the cooking duration of meat, and also it tenderizes the meat. It makes the meat to be very soft. So stay with me and tell me, how do you prepare your mutton or your goat meat? So at this point we are going to introduce our marinated goat meat. So after introducing our marinated goat meat or mutton, we are going to simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add milk to create the foundation for creamy stew. I can smell the aroma. I can smell the aroma. I can smell the aroma. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Yeah, there we are. So I'm going to introduce milk. I have milk and a bit of cream. I'm going to add salt. So let's give it like 5 minutes and our meat will be ready. So guys, I'm going to dice or to stir in our diced coriander in the last 30 seconds of our cooking, because we want to maintain or retain the garnish and the aromatic flavor. So you add 30 minutes to your final product. Just add the coriander and then you mix. To maintain the fresh aromatic flavor of the coriander. Wow, just salivating because of Here it is. And there we have it, guys. This is the most delicious, delicate delicacy, creamy goat meat. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Check me next and catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for pure inspirational cooking videos and food videos. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and bye bye. I'm yours truly and truly, Jayuga. Delicious, creamy goat meat cooker, mutton cooker, quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe.